You're about to see the light up key version of this arrangement so you can follow along more easily. Everything you're hearing is built from a simple framework called the drop 2 movement system. If you've ever struggled with knowing what chord or movement to play next, that's exactly what this system is designed to solve. You can find it in the description below. If you'd like to learn the system behind this arrangement so you can create your own versions of songs without getting stuck, check out the drop 2 movement system in the description.